Agree tayo, agree.
Wala this po space dito. There's not enough space. Uy, assignment daw yan. Uy, di mo
Okay, I want let me know. And bakit
Uy, book.
magsisimula? Bakit nga ba may mga tao disagree sa pagpapatayo or pag-a-add ng pangatlong CR sa public places for the LGBT? Okay, let's start here. Ay, sino yung agree? Here para, agree. Sino yung magsisimula? Sa agree? Oo. Okay, please go. Bakit ka agree?
Sabi po sa third restroom na for LGBTQ+, parang ano lang po, it's like ramp po for some physical people with disabilities. To avoid discrimination na rin po for LGBTQ na hindi sila pag hinalaan na may laging masama when it comes na parang pagbading pumasok sa male restroom para sabihin nga sinabi ni Regamo na parang sinisilipan or vice versa naman po. Tapos para to avoid discrimination and hindi po sila ikahiya. Parang ang third restroom po is parang ramp lang po, ramp din parang katulad sa mga may mga taong may disabilities na naka-wheelchair po. Parang ganun lang yung tingin ko po sa third restroom for LGBT.
Alright, thank you so much. Please, how about, yes,
So, if you're only thinking about providing a restroom for equality for the LGBTQ community, yes, it may seem like a good thing for you, but there's some risk to this, like the security or the space for children, like teens, that are actually in the community. Some people can easily fake it nowadays on being in the LGBTQ community and take that as an advantage and abuse it for like stalking and many more. So that's why I very much disagree to this, because if we stay on the path of having two restrooms, male and female, they both have space and freedom to each other. But to fix the equality part, we just need to make a simple law that that will include the LGBTQ community into our society and treat them as equal like their other people.
okay. Next, this side, why do you agree? Okay, let's read here.
Palibasa, ma'am.
Also,
Why do I agree?
yes.
In addition, why do I agree to gender neutral restroom? Yes, I'm agree. I'm not being biased because I'm part of the community. I'm answering this as a man. Why do I agree? I believe in the concept on all gender restroom, not because I feel like we should be categorized as women or men. So, or these people. But because there's a lot of people who are not discriminating towards transgender people, because I believe marami pa rin taong hindi open when it comes to because I believe if we create a separate or an exclusive restroom, it is benefit for everybody. Furthermore, I believe we should create a safe space for everyone to prevent discrimination towards other people. Traditional restroom can exclude those who don't fit non-binary, while third restroom welcome everyone, even you're not part of the community of LGBT. You're welcome as long as you respect other people that part of the community. Binary restroom can cause anxiety and discomfort for people of the LGBTQ because of the discrimination of people who are not aware about gender identity. Where third restroom prioritizes comfort and safety to everyone. Third restroom promote unity and understanding by providing a shared space for all. By embracing third restroom, we can create a more inclusive and compassionate society.
Okay, thank you so much. How Why? Why do you not agree?
For me, I feel like this would just cause more problem and it would cause more financial problems to different establishment and businesses because they would have to spend more money to just renovate bathrooms to a smaller fraction of the population rather than just making the bathrooms more accessible with the current infrastructure rather than just building a new one. This wouldn't cause unity but more segregation and more division. I feel like we should look onto more pressing issue than bathrooms. There's far more issue that the LGBTQ community is facing than just simple bathrooms. And I feel like adding a third bathroom would not fix anything, rather would make it more problematic because a lot of the anti-LGBTQ group will use those bathrooms as a way to vandalize and to make fun of LGBTQ community. And many people would look at that as a problematic thing because they would wala akong nagpagkakaroon. There's a reason why we still haven't implemented a third bathroom. That issue has been way longer than us, and it's still haven't implemented because many of the people higher up already thought of it and already have their opinion. Their opinion is no, we should not put it because many of the population doesn't agree. The LGBTQ is a small fraction of the population, and I feel like we should just make the bathrooms more accessible and have better infrastructure than just simply making a new one. And that would put a lot of businesses, that would force a lot of businesses to renovate their bathrooms. We should instead look on